Hi there. So with this strange times we're living in, I know that a lot of you have turned to knitting or crochet, picking because you've got time maybe to pick up your old hobbies. You know how crazy I am about those two things, and you see the results in my shop. So I just thought I would chat about what I'm doing and maybe post a few videos for you to help you. I've over the years I've picked up some great resources. I'm actually crocheting at the moment. I've had a change from knitting, just because I can. And this one is such a simple. I'm knitting a sweater in double crochets, basic, very, very easy stitch. In fact, you know, like knitting, crochet is made up of very few stitches. It's just what you do with them. I'm making a sweater, if you can see roughly what it's going to be like, my favourite kind of sloppy joe sweaters. And this is to use up bits and pieces because I'm not ordering any yarn at the moment because I think we need to give the post a bit of a rest at the moment because they are struggling, and I'm lucky enough to have a big stash of yarn. Anyway, this is, I would really encourage you to try something just as simple as a cotton dishcloth if you've got some cotton lying around to practice stitches. Take a look at the video. The guy explains it super well, and have a go. And if you've got any questions, then just jot them down under this post and I'll answer them if I can. Anything you'd like to see, let me know too. And you will see this creation in my store very soon, I hope. Until then, get creative. Bye.